Okay, here we go. We're going to start our project. This is the Illuminated manuscript, step 1. You're going to start with your sketchbook and a template, which is 8 by 8. You are going to use this in your sketchbook to trace out an 8 by 8 square. Probably going to come to the end of your paper because the book is actually only, I think, 9 by 12 or 9 by 11. So I already did 3 for you. You need to do it on 3 pages, and then we're going to start. Next part of step 1 is you're going to choose 3 different fonts that have what is called a serif. So serif is any letter that has those marks at the end of it, has those extra strokes. So I have printed out for you 3 different, oh, actually 4 different fonts with serifs. If you want to look for more, you can go right ahead. I think I have some books that you can look at, but your letters have to have a serif. So then you're going to choose what you want to do, and you are going to create 3 letters, 3 sketches. They should almost touch the top and the bottom of the page. And once you're done with that, you're going to bring it up to me to get approved and pick out which one you're going to choose as your final. Okay, part of step 1 is now to draw out your letters. So I have created a cheat sheet, sort of say, of 4 different fonts that you can look at. They're in a handout. Make sure the handout goes back on the supply table when you're done. You can look through this. You can find your own. It doesn't matter, but your letters have to have what is called a serif. So that's these extra little strokes on your letters, and I'm going to show you my examples. The other thing that your letter has to have is some width. So it's not a line drawing. It's not like that. It's actually more, like, we can consider it a bubble letter, but it's a shape. It has, now this would not qualify because it is a sans serif. It does not have that extra stroke. So it has to have an inside and an outside to your letter. And probably one of the easiest ways to do that, let me show you on this page, is draw your letter out first. Your letter is also going to almost touch the top and almost touch the bottom. So draw out your letter in simple writing first. Then you can create your design, your bubble around the letter. Kind of makes it a little bit easier. Go in, erase everything. If you need to make a hole in the center for your letter, you can go in and do that. Now you have a nice big letter that takes up your page. In the next part of this video, you're going to see me do 3 different letters.